Let's look at how we can create C# projects inside solutions and basically work with C# development kit. So if you look at the extensions installed, I do have this C# dev kit. Now this can be easily searched in the extensions marketplace and we can download this. Once we download this extension, we would get all of these as dependencies. So we don't have to download them separately. Once we download this, all the other things will be installed. Now, if I look at the the normal Explorer of Visual Studio, since I have installed the C# dev kit, I now see an option for creating a .NET project here. So this makes it a lot more easier. We don't have to use any commands. We can just go ahead and create it. So let's see how we can do that. So I will click on the create.NET project and it asks me what kind of project I would want to create. So I'll just say I would want to create a console app, and it asks me where or in which folder I would want that to create. So I'll generally take repository and let me say Jan 29. In fact, I can also say something like my solution, so that we can distinguish that this in fact becomes a solution, and then I click on select folder. Once we had done that, it understood that we would want to create a console based project, but it is asking me for the name of it. I would perhaps give some name, let's say something like project 1. We can actually name this by what you're trying to do, but for now we'll just stick with project 1 and click on enter. If you notice that we now have the Explorer itself trying to show the project, but if you see on the top, we just got the solution Explorer also pop up. Now this is a feature of C# dev kit. You wouldn't have got this otherwise. Once we are done with the solution creation or the project creation, we will just switch to the Solution Explorer. It makes our job a lot more easier. So if I just expand this here, I do have my project. And click on program.cs. And to run this application, I'll just go on select the run project associated with this file. You might see more options when you do this down arrow, but you need to select the same option. I think it will be the third option if there are more options on your extension. So it is looking to run the project, and once we have the project, we do get the output here. Now you can ignore the other outputs here. Now notice that this play icon is a plain one. Previously, it used to show a bug symbol. So from now on, if you want to run this project, you can just hit the play icon. And if we need to understand the structure of this project or solution, we can see that this entire thing becomes the solution. Now this is a .NET solution. In .NET, projects are contained in a solution, or in other words, we can have one solution have many projects, and this specifically is my first project. So I can add any number of such projects if I really want to within the same solution. So let's see how to do that. So maybe I will wipe this out first and try to create a project within this solution in the next video.